Hi, Mark here from Hurst, and today we're taking a step back in time as we celebrate 100 years of Schneider Electric's TeSys motor management system. Starting from its humble beginnings as the industry's first bar and shaft contactor back in 1924, the TeSys motor management control device range demonstrates a legacy of innovation with a lasting impact on industrial operations. It was back in 1969 when A.J. Hurst cautiously introduced a lesser-known French brand of motor control protection equipment, Télémécanique, to Northern Ireland. Little did we know then the impact the TeSys range of products would have within our market and globally. Fast forward 54 years, Télémécanique has become Schneider Electric, and the TeSys motor management products are not only the cornerstone of industrial operations within the UK and Ireland, but one of the most globally recognised brands in the industry. Renowned for its comprehensive range of products that enhance efficiency and safety of electrical installations. Happy anniversary, TeSys.